Welcome to the Designing the Row Squarespace store setup series. This is just one video of many where I teach you how to set up your Squarespace store from start to finish. I'm Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row, and I'm also a Squarespace expert, Squarespace authorized trainer, and Squarespace Circle member. So if you are looking for help building your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place. By this point, you have everything set up in your item tab, in your pricing and variance tab. And remember when we first filled out this item section and I said don't touch this pricing and variance section yet? Now you see that we've filled out that whole tab. It brings up kind of a summary of everything that we put into that pricing and variance tab. So if you were to have clicked this in the very beginning, it would have just dropped you over to this tab, which is fine. But once you fill that section out, it will give you a summary of all of your product pricing and variance right here. So you've got your item tab done, your pricing and variance tab is all filled out. Now let's jump all the way over here to SEO. So this is what is going to show up in the search results, and it's also going to help you populate what shows up on social media when you share the direct link to this product. So it will pull in the title for you, but if you want it to be different, you can change it, say pink t-shirt if you want it to be different. I usually just leave the SEO title empty because it pulls my product name. But the SEO description is what we want to add. So I'm going to go back to item and just copy my description here and paste it in here. Again, I recommend giving a more thought to your product description than I have here for this example. 2 or 3 sentences will be great. You can see that your limit for characters is 400, but really the search results only show about 200. So you don't have to fill up all 400 of those, but I recommend giving it a better description than I have. So that is how you add SEO for your product. Super simple. If this video tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any further questions, you can leave them for me in the comments. And as this is a series, I will leave the next video for you right here. And don't forget that over at designingtherow.com, I have more tips and resources on how you can build and grow your online presence.